Hey everyone, welcome back to the CoinWise. I'm your host, and I'm excited to share the latest news and trends in the crypto space with you. Today, May 10th, 2026, is a big day, and we have some urgent news to discuss. Lime has just filed for an IPO, and this is huge. If you don't understand what this means, you could be missing out on a major opportunity. This is not financial advice, but we're going to break it down for you in simple terms. Lime's IPO filing is a significant event, and it's essential to understand the implications. We'll get into the details later, but first, let's talk about what this means for you. As a beginner, it's crucial to stay informed and up to date on the latest news and trends. Now, let's move on to our education segment, where we'll be discussing crypto mining. What is crypto mining, and is it worth it? This is a question many of you have been asking, and we're going to answer it in simple terms. Crypto mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network. Think of it like a big ledger book where all transactions are recorded. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, which helps to secure the network and verify transactions. In return, miners are rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. It's like a digital gold rush, where miners are competing to solve problems and earn rewards. But, is it worth it? The answer is not a simple yes or no. It depends on various factors, such as the type of cryptocurrency you're mining, the cost of equipment and electricity, and the current market conditions. Let's use an analogy to help you understand. Imagine you're a gold miner, and you're searching for gold in a river. You need to buy equipment, such as a shovel and a pan, and you need to pay for the cost of traveling to the river and staying there. If you're lucky, you might find some gold, but if you're not, you might end up with nothing. Crypto mining is similar, but instead of gold, you're searching for cryptocurrency. You need to buy equipment, such as a powerful computer and a graphics card, and you need to pay for the cost of electricity to run your equipment. If you're lucky, you might earn some cryptocurrency, but if you're not, you might end up with nothing. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of crypto mining. One of the pros is that you can earn cryptocurrency without having to buy it. This can be a great way to get started with crypto, especially if you're new to the space. Another pro is that you can help secure the network and verify transactions, which is essential for the blockchain ecosystem. However, there are also some cons. One of the biggest cons is the cost of equipment and electricity. Crypto mining requires powerful computers and graphics cards, which can be expensive. Additionally, the cost of electricity to run your equipment can be high, especially if you're mining 24/7. Another con is the risk of market fluctuations. If the price of the cryptocurrency you're mining drops, you might not be able to sell it for a profit. Now, let's move on to our news breakdown segment. Today, we have some exciting news to share. Lime's IPO filing is a significant event, and it's essential to understand the implications. According to reports, Lime has filed for an IPO amid debt concerns and liquidity risks. This is a big deal, and it's crucial to understand what it means for the market. We'll break it down in simple terms, so you can stay informed. Additionally, we have some other news to share. Quantinuum has filed for a US IPO amid quantum computing enthusiasm, and China has unveiled a new supercomputer called Lineshine. These are exciting developments, and we'll discuss what they mean for the crypto space. Now, let's move on to our market update segment. The current prices are: Bitcoin is at $80,758, up 0.39% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at $2,327.60, up 0.41% in the last 24 hours. XRP is at $1.42, down 1.07% in the last 24 hours. BNB is at $647.46, down 1.03% in the last 24 hours. Solana is at $93.13, down 0.55% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is at 11 cents, down 1.84% in the last 24 hours. Cardano is at 27 cents, down 2.42% in the last 24 hours. These prices are subject to change, and it's essential to stay up to date on the latest market trends. Finally, let's move on to our outro and CTA segment. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. You can also follow us on social media to join the conversation and connect with other crypto enthusiasts. This is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. We'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to comment below with one thing you learned today.